Peace and love, family. It's your favorite traveling entrepreneur, Mr. Jones Jr. Welcome back to the Wealth and Wellness channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about chicken identification. Always wash your hands for 30 seconds or longer. All right, lesson number 1. This is the size of a real chicken. If we're going to talk about meat, and we're going to talk about the size and the quality of meat, you got to understand that most grocery stores are using steroids for their meat. It's not the required size, all right? Take a look at this chicken wing on a real chicken. Take a look at the size of a drum on a real chicken. Understand, it's knowledge first. So don't just be out here eating meat when you know it's fake. If you're gonna eat high grade food, make sure it is raised correctly. Make sure it's butchered correctly. If you're gonna eat meat, make sure it's grass-fed meat. Make sure the animal was plant-based before it went to the slaughterhouse. Information is key, because if you are eating if you're eating an animal that has all these emotions and all these hormones inside of it, it's definitely bad for the body, period. It's going to cause mucus, cancer, and high blood pressure into the body. So please, if you're gonna eat meat, which I don't recommend you eat meat going fast, but if you're going to eat meat, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure it is at least a real chicken, right? Stay healthy in real life. I'll be back with more educational videos on what to look for if you're gonna eat meat. If you wanna join my detox plan, please click the link in the bio and we can get you guys on a detox plan. If you're going to eat meat, make sure it is raised properly. Make sure it was on a proper diet before you consume it. You understand that, okay? So we're going to talk about that. Stay tuned to more videos, because I'm going to show you guys cooking tutorials. I'm going to show you guys recipes, plant-based recipes, recipes you can make from scratch. You don't need more than 5 ingredients to make a solid recipe, guys. Stop listening to the ones that's not informative. We'll stop listening to the ones that's not professional in this field. But we're not going to go there. We're going to keep it on topic, and let's talk about chicken identification. The first thing I want to show you guys is the size of a real chicken. This is the size of a real chicken. Okay? Notice the wing. You know, most wings you go in the store, most wings look like big wings. No. Look at the drum. Look at the size of the drum on a real chicken. All right? Look at the size on the drum on a real chicken. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the chicken breast of a chicken. It's the breast. It's the chicken back. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna dissect this and we're gonna cut this up. We're gonna make this look like what you guys usually see in the store. All right, let's get to it. back of the chicken, front of the chicken, legs, drum, wing, breast, back. Take all this out. Boom, 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 boom. Voila. First thing you want to do